Good day. Have you ever think you need a second browser on your PC when you already have a Google Chrome browser? In this video, I will show you how to create a second user or more than one user having a separate Google Chrome browser on your laptop on your PC, on your computer, without the need of downloading multiple web browser. So after launching your Chrome browser, you navigate to the user icon, and from there you click on add. So you see this pop up, a new window to set up the new user or second person. So you can name the new user anything you want, maybe with the name of the person that's going to use it, or your organization name, or anything. So let me just write testing user 2. Choose an icon of your choice, and bam, boom, you have a second Chrome browser. You can see. So with this now, I have 2 Chrome browser. This is one, and this is the second Chrome browser. You can do that as many times as possible for as many users as possible. So you can add more and more and more, depending on the numbers of browser you need on your laptop, your computer. So you can write user 3, choose another icon. So this, you don't need to download multiple browsers on your laptop. You can just add more users. You can see you have 3 different users. You have guest, you have person 1, you have testing user 1, and we have this particular user, which is user 3. So you can see it from here. There is a normal user, this is another user, this is the second user. As you can see, we are testing user 2, and this is the third user. You can see user 3. So thank you for watching. Enjoy.